Alright, in this video I'm going to show y'all a quick easy tool that you can build with just regular scrap iron, and it'll help you disassemble a pallet so much faster than any method that I found out. I've looked around and tried different methods and techniques, and I've seen some stuff on Pinterest where people have used a similar variation of this tool, but this one is one that I did develop myself. And like I said, it's very simple, very inexpensive to build, and will save you a ton of time. So without keeping you waiting, here's what we're looking at. I call it the devil's claw. Hang on. Alright, basically what we got is 4 rail spikes, some angle iron, and some 1-inch square tubing. And angle iron works as a fulcrum, and it helps to pop these boards out quickly and easily. Watch. Board 1. Board 2. Board 3. Pretty much as you can see, it's little to no splintering. Basically, that's it. That's what you get. Little to no splintering of all your boards. Get to salvage the majority of your wood, and man, it's easy. Save a lot of money. Just finding these pallets, busting them down, and building your projects. Hope y'all enjoyed. Again, my name's Paul, and if you have any questions, get back to me. Thank you.